Hey, everyone! Today we're looking at the Doubletree by Hilton Fort Myers at Bell Tower Shops in Florida. Before you head out, make sure to use the link or QR code in the description for the safest and best way to book your stay. The hotel is incredibly well located, just 630 meters from the Bell Tower Shops. You'll have shopping, dining, and entertainment right at your doorstep. This is a great spot for parents because children aged 1 to 17 can stay free of charge. It makes planning a family vacation much more budget-friendly. You can enjoy a buffet breakfast to start your day. It's one of the highlighted free offers along with the premium Wi-Fi. On-site, you have Shoeless Joe's Sports Cafe serving American cuisine, a coffee shop, and a stylish hotel bar for evening cocktails. Keep in mind that check-in starts at 4 p.m. and check-out is at 11 a.m. Plan your arrival and departure accordingly. Rooms are well equipped with things like Netflix streaming, microwaves, refrigerators, and even windows that actually open for fresh air. There is free on-site parking available, and a shuttle service is also available to help you get around Fort Myers easily. If you want to relax, there is an outdoor swimming pool with a view, a fitness center, and even facilities for billiards and darts. While the location and service scores are high, 8.8 and 8.7 respectively, the value for money sits slightly lower at 7.9, so be mindful of your budget. Important note for animal lovers: pets are not allowed at this property, so plan your trip for a pet-free stay. Overall, it's a fantastic, convenient choice for families and shoppers in Fort Myers. Don't forget to use the link or QR code in the description to secure your booking safely.